This is a 2012 Toyota RAv4, one owner with 52,000 miles. Yep, 52,000 miles. The vehicle is running. Like all of our vehicles, it needs absolutely nothing mechanically or cosmetically. All of our vehicles, we perform a 125-point certified pre-owned inspection on everything that we sell. When you buy a vehicle from us, it will not need a thing. On top of that, we offer a best price guarantee. You find a comparable one for sale in our market, please let us know and we will gladly beat their price. So yes, you're getting a certified pre-owned vehicle with a best price guarantee. Not going to find that anywhere in the market. For pricing, pictures, and including undercarriage pictures showing you that this is a rust-free vehicle, please feel free to visit our website, autoparadisetx.com. That's autoparadisetx.com. Once again, extremely clean vehicle, rust-free, Carfax certified, just in absolutely remarkable condition. It does have a backup camera. You'll be lucky to find a door ding on this thing. It is very clean. Alloy wheels. Michelin tires are in great shape. Again, fully serviced through our shop. AC is running, as you can hear. It does have a moonroof. The gray cloth interior is like new. No rips, no stains, no wear marks. We have the original floor mats. It's AM, FM, CD, automatic transmission, both sets of keys, 52,000 miles, aftermarket backup camera. Perfect vehicle for student. Power windows, locks, mirrors, and cruise control. Show you the other side. One owner, Carfax certified, 52,000 miles, rust-free, in stunning condition for its age. So, in recap, this is a 2012 Toyota RAv4, front-wheel drive, one owner, 52,000 miles, fully serviced, needs nothing, perfect vehicle for student.